To paint stainless steel, you'll need a high-quality, oil-based paint, a primer rated for stainless steel, and a metal wax to help seal your paint job. To get started, gently scuff up the surface of the steel with a sander or steel wood sponge. This will help the primer and paint stick better. Next, use a steel cleaner or degreaser to get rid of any dirt, oils, or grime, which can prevent the paint from adhering properly. Allow the steel to dry completely when you're done. Before adding any paint, apply an even coating of oil-based primer to the stainless steel object or surface. Spray primers tend to give the smoothest, most even coverage. While a white primer works well with most paint colors, you may want to choose a darker primer if you're planning to use a very dark paint. Once the primer is completely dry, add a layer of paint. You can either use spray paint or apply the paint with a brush or roller. Wait for the paint to dry, then add another layer. You may need to apply 2 or 3 layers to get the kind of coverage you want. Once you're happy with your paint job, cover the painted area with a thin layer of metal or automotive wax to seal and protect the paint. After the wax dries, buff it with a clean, dry cloth to give it a nice shine.